Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigiTibytes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on ChatGPT notification summarize on Mac. So, notification summarize help reduce notification clutter by grouping less urgent notification into a summary that you can view later. If you receive a lot of ChatGPT notification, enabling this feature can help you to keep your notification more organized. Before you begin, make sure summarize notification is enabled in your Mac's notification setting. If this feature is turned off, you won't able to enable notification summarize for ChatGPT. Let me show you. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left and then choose system settings. Now go to notifications and here at the top of the notification page, make sure summarize notification is turned on. To do so, click on summarize notification and make sure to enable summarize notification and also make sure to enable the toggle right to chat GPT. Now here go back and then in application notifications find chat GPT and click on it. And now here enable the toggle right to summarize notifications. So from now on ChatGPT notification will include your notification summarize instead of appearing individual based on your summary schedule. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.